This is part 2 of the exercise of importing a raster image of a map of the Saratoga area, and we're answering some questions about distances. So we've scaled the map, we've done questions 1 and 2, and just looking at questions 3 and 4. So first of all, shortest distance from the end of the jetty at Y across Linton Channel, and then the distance around the 50-metre contour line on Mount Pleasant. So the jetty, we'll have to look at this diagram here, Y. It looks like, to me, it's the second jetty, which would be this longer one here. So what I'm going to do is just draw a circle from that point, the end of the jetty, out till we hit Riley's Island. So that would be the shortest distance across the Linton Channel. Then we can look at the properties of that circle, and we can see that the radius is 220.39 meters, so 220 meters would be the answer there. And the last one was the contour, the distance of the contour, 50-metre contour line on Mount Pleasant. So this is pretty much similar to the first exercise. Here's our 50-metre contour line. So what we would do is, once again, and I won't do the whole thing, we would start with a polyline, and we can go arcs or lines, whatever we think is going to be the most accurate, and just continue right round the polyline. So we'll be looking to make a closed loop right around this contour line. I'll just finish it there. But you get the idea. You'll follow it right around till you come back and close it, and then of course we can look at the properties and determine the length of the entire contour. In this case I've only gone a distance of 263 meters.